conscious of rust and corrosion and all that sort of stuff down there is a little difficult because it's not going to last. So the design criteria with this bike, the guy wants to keep it a rat. He's going to go and live in Durban, so we are very conscious of rust and corrosion and all that sort of stuff down there, and painting a fresh bike to take it down to Durban to live right on the coast is a little difficult because it's not going to last very well. So it's hard to spend that money on a bike for a couple of months of paint, and then immediately you're going to start seeing the effects of the coastal air. So what we opted to do rather was to build a rat. Now a rat does not mean that it's got any less effort put into it. It just means that when you do start seeing some of that corrosion and that sort of stuff coming through, it doesn't ruin the paint job, it adds to it. So that was the reason why we opted for that. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to make sure that the paint was protected as much as possible in the places that matter. And so I painted the inside of these panels black so that they're covered and protected and whatever for moving forward, that there's no bare metal inside, and there's just another level of protection. But it does mean that everything needs to get flattered. We've got to take the clear coat off of the old paint, and then we are going to clear coat over the top side of this. Now because it's a rat, this is a divisive opinion, it's my opinion, it's not a set rule, but I feel like if you're going to make a rat, a matte clear coat suits it better. It makes it look more old, it makes it look more aged, it suits the patina a bit better. If you do a gloss clear coat on a rat bike, it looks almost fake, if I can put it that way. Not always, some bikes will pull it off. But in this one in particular, I've decided that we're going to go with a matte clear over the top side of this paint. So the bike came in here with a gloss coat. We're going to go with a matte float. And I just want to be sure that that matte clear coat sticks to this paint nicely. So we're scuffing it up a little bit. Also, when we did the black on the inside, you can see these little speckles over here and whatever. That was overspray from the black. There's no real way to protect that other than taping everything up, or because I knew that I was going to be doing this, you just sand it back off again. Quatschnetz verandering. Did you put that 14? Well, the 14.
Hi everyone, and click the bell notification to see more. Click like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.